How many times did I tell you I have a car you have not seen before? Well, this one is going to be one of those. This is SERES, a new brand on the market, and this is their Model 5. Unexpectedly, we're gonna start at the front. Come on. First, the whole shape and the angles of the car are very sleek and very clean. It makes it look elegant from the outside, I would say. Then we have the lights, and listen, they look very angry. So angry. That kind of angry, you know. The grille goes down and it looks very angry. The whole front looks like an old angry Englishman. Sorry for English angry men. I said that. You have a camera at the front. There is a vent that then leads us to our 20-inch wheels. On your side mirror we have an indicator with a camera right underneath, flush door handles, and just come from here and look at the shape of the car. I would love to hear what you guys think. What does the shape remind you of? I see a Cayenne, which is actually a good thing because it just looks as elegant and luxurious as Cayenne from the outside. And then the entire back is a completely something else. The lights at the back come from the back across the entire car with a huge SERES logo over here and SERES 5 badge there. And these don't have any of those cool and fun light shows like some of the Chinese EVs that we have seen. Instead, the entire back is super elegant. And if I want to open the back, the button is actually here under the Viper. Such an unusual place to put it. We are used to having it here, even like do just a foot movement, but no, it's here. And as it opens up, you get 369 liters of space. You can easily fit around 3 large suitcases over here and 2 small ones. So there is decent amount of space at the back. But what I'm looking forward to see is the interior, because I just had a peek and it looks pretty cool. Let's go to the back. Ready to see the back seats. Ta-da! I think they look pretty cool. What do you think? I just want to dive in and I really want to test them. Oh yeah, okay, this does feel nice. We have this very nice and very comfortable red leather seats, and even the back of the front seat is so elegant. Over here we have a pocket, then here you can operate your vents and charging ports. There is so much headroom and pretty large amount of legroom, considering this seat is completely far back. So I mean, very comfortable seating. I kind of just want to stay here because I actually like it. You can see the wood detail continuing at the door with the speaker right here. We have the ambient light on both sides. Of course, we have a little bit of black leather here with the red stitching and the red leather that we see on the seats. I am very surprised how comfortable these seats are. I have to tell you that one thing. We also have sunroof going all the way to the back here, and the backseat passengers can actually voice control the music, the windows, and the temperature from here. So the seat will tilt back and the car will take your instructions. But now, let's go to the front. Hello. Ooh, the seat just went all the way back. Did you see that? Hey, I want to do it one more time. Wait. Did you see that? And now if I open the door, the seat goes back down and lets me get in more comfortably. And now, ooh, I'm going back to my driving position. Amazing. It actually did make me get into the car much easier. This is your SERES key. Stylish and very easy to put in a pocket. You know, some of those keys that are just so large, and this one is just, yeah, fits right in the pocket. First thing that grabs your attention is here. The 15.6-inch screen right in the middle. And if you look around, the rest looks very simple. The rest of the interior is just not all buttons and all screens and everything like that. It's just very classy, just like the car from the outside. It's quite simple, yet not too simple as the red leather that surrounds the whole front, as we saw at the back as well. Kind of makes it more modern, more luxurious and more edgy. We have the ambient light going all the way around and then continuing through the door as well. Of course, you operate everything through this massive screen in the middle. So we have vehicle control, lighting, and then energy. What's gonna be when I click on the energy? You can see that the remaining mileage is 1,164 kilometers. But then, what is under it? It says battery electric 214 kilometers, but fuel 950 kilometers. What does it mean? This car is using something called REEV, and that stands for Range Extended Electric Vehicle. Means we have a small gasoline engine inside of the car, which is used to power up the car's battery. So that gives you extended range. Then if we go into driving, we have energy saving mode, comfortable, sport, and personalization. And then vehicle mode, EV mode preferred, fuel mode preferred, or automatic. If we go into seats, we have ventilated massage seats. We can change the background on the screen as well. So it goes through different nice pictures, and you can customize that and put your own pictures in. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right under the screen, we have the hazard lights with the vents, wireless charging pad, cup holder. If you press here, you get 2 more cup holders or storage, and more storage in here. Okay, interesting. So you have charging ports on the passenger side, the same is on the driver's side, and this is just a pocket. If you create that, why wouldn't you just make it hollow? I don't understand. In front of me, I've got a multifunctional leather steering wheel with SERES badge in the middle, and this has all voice command buttons, adjusting of volume, calls, and cruise control. We have plastic stalks, but I will be very honest with you, these don't really bother me. Actually, they don't bother me at all. And I also get heads-up display. We are surrounded with so many speakers in this car. I absolutely love it. And everything feels very sleek, very nice. I can adjust how bright I want the light to be over here, and I can go through different colors of the light, so from white to almost like blue, icy blue, to warm yellow. That's pretty much it. Should we go and drive it? Let's hit the road. Seatbelts always. First time driving the SERES 5. Guys, I don't know if I told you, but this is all-wheel drive, and okay, very quiet. This actually goes from 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. Oh, I just took my foot off the pedal and it immediately just stopped the car. I think you saw the surprise in my face because I thought it's going to just slowly be slowing down. You guys already know I've been driving so many Chinese cars, so many of these new EV brands, and I have to say, this feels a little different from the others. It definitely is very comfortable, very, very comfortable, I have to say. The seating angle is perfect. I do feel like the seats are properly hugging me to keep me safe, and it is actually a really nice car. And for the price as well, I do think it's a very good deal. The car is very quiet. It holds on the road very nicely, and it feels luxury actually. I am surprised in a very good way. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10, probably. Even now, that speed bump was massive, and I personally barely felt it. Look at this. Turns very nicely as well. Yeah, steering wheel is comfortable to hold. I have nothing bad to actually say. I've really enjoyed driving it. What's under the hood? Max power of 430 kilowatt with 940 Newton meters of torque, going from 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. But you might be asking, what is the price of this car? This is starting at $55,000. What do you guys think about this new brand on the market? Do you love it? Do you have it? Let me know in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye.